land on the other one. Set it off.
That would be kick-ass, but I don't think it's likely.
No.
No, you can't do that on purpose. It's only on accident.
One. Okay. And they set off the other one.
They're not as combustible as they claim to be, or that would have totally gone off because the spark would bounce off it.
Look at the other one.
Okay, there was no ice in there.
I'll start this over.